talk about the emotion of depression. Well, actually, I don't really want to talk about it, but what I want to do is I want to help you move through it. Right now, there are so many people really struggling. Their lives have been turned upside down. They're having a hard time getting going. They're feeling like there's energy that is just stagnant around them. And there's no wonder. So many things have been shut down. Things are slow to open up. There's a lot of uncertainty, and a lot of people are sinking lower and lower in their vibration and in their energy. And they're feeling emotions such as depression. My name is Kelly Goetz, and I am an Eden's Energy Medicine clinical practitioner. I'm somebody that truly believes in this work and our ability to heal. We are all one, and we are all connected, and when you're hurting, that means I'm hurting too. So let's get started. What you're going to do is you are going to take one of your hands, and here's my belly button right here. You're going to place your hand on the second chakra. If you don't know much about the second chakra or any of the chakras, no worries. I'll be doing a lot of videos on the chakras. But all you need to know is the chakras are these energy channels. They act like antennas. They're constantly going out, and they're looking for information, experiences, and they're drawing it back to you. And at the same time, it's a two-way channel. So there's this push and pull of energy coming back and forth between each chakra. Now the second chakra sits right below the belly button, and this is about your childlike wonder, your ability to be creative and childlike, and just to see the world through a kid's eyes. And if you ever notice little kids, they feel emotions really quickly. It moves through their field like a nanosecond. So they could be sad one minute and happy the next minute and angry the next, but they are constantly moving. Energy and emotions are meant to move through you. Emotions are just that. They are energy. And so when we are connecting, we're going to connect our second chakra, that childlike wonder, and we're going to connect it to our heart chakra. Now the heart chakra, in case you don't know what that is, it's about your ability to have self-love and compassion for yourself. Now, when your hands are here and we're connecting these two chakras, what you may feel at first is not a whole lot, but if you keep bringing your hands here, what you'll start to notice is you might feel heat under your hands. You might feel one is stronger than the other, and your goal is to fully connect them. What that means is, say right now I'm feeling a stronger energy pull on my heart chakra. I want to hold this long enough that that second chakra has that same level of energy coming to it. And if you don't feel a lot moving, it might be because you're in your head and you're thinking about it. And I want you to get into your space of feeling, just feeling the energy. You can actually imagine and draw figure eights between your two hands. And at the same time, I want you to just connect to that possibility, that what else is possible, and then releasing that emotion of depression and pulling in that childlike wonder of what else is possible, and pulling in that ability to love and accept yourself fully and completely for exactly where you are, knowing that this is just a moment in time and it shall too pass. My name is Kelly Goetz. Thank you for joining me. As always, I am wishing you an infinite love and gratitude today. Bye-bye.